So, hi guys, today we are going to give SBI PO live mock test on practice work. Let's start. काफ़ी बड़ा पैसेज था ये। कंज्यूमिंग सुपर फूड्स कैन बी लिमिटिंग। They are not especially when they have been developed. Been developed genetic modification. Why does the author think that shopping for superfood is complicated? The US FDA stops comes from supermarket stock superfood in the same section as a regular. People have to depend on potentially misleading market to make. Some superfood contains vitamins and minerals that have been added. They are significant price. Which of the following is true? Harvard University has played an important role in development of superfood. University. They are not criteria for determining what is super. According to Harvard, food is upgraded to superfoods offers high level. Yes, bananas contain more vitamin B6 and B9. Vitamin B6 and B9 than blueberries. Superfood are promoted as a source of power. Are promoted as a source of 2, 3. Which of the following best describe the journal of consumer culture stands on companies selling superfood and people who are excessive focus on superfood used to people slight interest. I think when there is no scientific evidence that superfood actually are well when labeling foods based on which of the following best describes the primary purpose of the author in the fourth paragraph, second, third, fourth. यहाँ कंपेयर करें to argue in favor of consuming additional to show blueberries then vice profits are unhealthy. There's no ultimate superhero and the choice of food depends to highlight the role of well-balanced. Which of the following is the author most like marketing claims surrounding superfood are based on the should therefore be consumed by the one. Eating acai bowls every morning for breakfast can have two sense ये तो बिल्कुल superfoods are more popular among urban. ये कुछ बात है superfood से should be scientifically where has been waning slowly after the initial should be scientifically defined and by food regulators. The popularity of superfood has been waning. They are more popular among urban which of the following word is the opposite of plethora? Plethora after all, if obesity and a plethora of disease are caused, opposite dirt concerning that's a little concerning. Sustained innovation requires a cultural USDA values that support the innovation and encourage compensation of how the world works. इसको समझेंगे सस्टेन्ड भी सही लग रहा है मेरे को। कंपनसेशन encourage compensation how no, no option containing the part of as the gate of the elephant yard lifted, a keeper admonished everyone to stood further back, even though there were bars separating us the animals. Sorry, no. As the gate of elephant yard, they lifted a keeper. Everyone, everyone to stood further back. Stood further back. When historians trace back the roots to the roots, trace back the roots of this so-called epidemic, they often find themselves returning to the wave of addiction that swept the USA in late 19th. But they often find themselves returning. See Laptun Lai. Reindeer herders in northern Siberia has been discovered the skeleton of a woolly whose remains remain intact at least 1,000 years. Thanks to the atmosphere on Earth, rocks from space cannot make an impact here because they tend to impact here. Ceramic spark plugs, which are electrons, have a large impact. Europe concept that can positively impact all tourists correctly highlight. The incumbent president issued of victory in the election, and his supporters believed that he would get a and offenders will be liable to a 7-year prison. And 7-year prison. A new book by journalist Rebecca looks at how China has come to dominate since the शुरू करते हैं जस्ट बिफोर she made herself a suit. Since the sunlight of the culture is found in the role played by human rights organization in documenting and questioning state questioning and action is a necessary component. ACB relying on samples from Mars, some of the which will be older than any surviving rock on Earth. When Satan begins surviving, the likelihood of someone surviving the rate is 1-3. Brain regions exchange information while sending and receiving signals through a network of a nerve connection. This exchange is trivial and crucial. Crucial also the brain function, including how we experience, how we perceive, including how we perceive the world. And perceive the world, how we say and we discover and we can have the idea of how scientists find their way through the brain computer rather to researchers who spent the past 3 years studying how brain regions and communicate with each other. And what we found can help us to better understand and brain functions. Using the non-real such as I remember gave us a model of brain value which we used to examine, investigate, and how similar potential पहले वो वाला कर ले रहे हैं. It is important to note that at a person it is important to note the person's immune system. Yeah, the immune system serves as a body very moreover when functioning. However, तो P या Q में से start होगा तो आ जाएगा Q. लास्ट सेंटेंस पूछा है, अच्छा P आएगा. फोर्थ R आएगा. थर्ड T आएगा. सेकंड S आएगा. फर्स्ट आपका Q आ जाएगा. The potential generator was able to deflect some of the harder questions by flattening the potential reaches using praise and intervention to help the human the potential taking of life is already unlocked. 1 and 2 the astronaut variable कितने हो पाए? 29 हो पाए. Shit. Given bar graph shows some of the number of coats and t-shirts sold. हेलो, मेरा टेस्ट चल रहा है, तुझे पता नहीं है? बोल नहीं सकती इन लोगों को. बकवास कर रही थी. Given bar graph shows some of the number of Foods है blazer ratio of the number of yeah that shows us some of the number of foods है yeah blazer school shows us some of the number of foods and blazer sold so ratio of the number of foods sold to the number of blazer sold तो मानने जा सकते उतारो 2017 18 19 20 21 some of the number of coats sold and the number of blazers sold. यार ये क्या है पार्का और ये टोटल है आपका कोट है कोट्स है ब्लेजर है the ratio of the number of coats sold to the number of blazers sold 5 4 9 9 14 30 400 आ गया 4 4 1600 आ गया 2000 आ गया आपका 3 2 5 5 6 30 600 36 1800 आ गया 1200 आ गया 7 5 12 12 चौक 48 400 4 5 20 7 दूनी 1400 आ गया 4000 3000 7 6 13 13 चौक 52 400 7 चौक 2800 24 percentage by which the number of parka sold is more than the number of 40% 4 दूनी 8 2800 25 7/4 4 12 300 1500 आ गया आपका 25% 25% फिर आ गया 1/4 यानी कि 700 तो 712 350 4 3 700 1750 ऐसे 20 3 दूनी 6 3600 25% 1/4 4 620 600 3000 और ये कितना आ गया 3 3 66 64 6400 6400 और 4500 4800 1750 0 5 8 7 15 4 1 5 1 6 6550 3600 4 370 600 3000 5 3 8200 What is the ratio of the number of parkas sold in 2018 and 2019 respectively? यानी 15 3 है 3250 अच्छा नहीं रेशियो बताना है 18 एंड 19 25 25 छक्का 150 25 70 आपका ये भी नहीं आया व्हाट इज़ द रेशियो बिटवीन द नंबर ऑफ parka sold in 2019 2018 1500 and 2019 1750 25 छक्का 25 70 percentage by which the number of parka sold is more than the number of blazers sold and इसमें मैंने कहाँ गड़बड़ी करी थी ये था 1200 तक मैंने 25% मेरा 1500 आया था और ये था 1400 में भी मैंने 25% प्लस किया 1750 आया था 1750 तो आया था between the Parka sold in 2018 and 2019 ये हो क्यों नहीं रहा है आपका 3000 5 6 30 आया वो 5 6 30 600 36 1800 6 1200 ये तो सही है 7 5 12 12 चौका 400 700 यहाँ पे मैंने कुछ गड़बड़ कर दी है 48 है, 7 पर 12 5 चौक 4800 होता है 400। 4 5 जो 20 आया और 4 7 जो 28 आना चाहिए, 2800 आएगा। 2800 प्लस में ये आपका 25% होना चाहिए, यह 3500 हो जाएगा। 3500 प्लस में आपका 4800, 8300, 8300 और आपका 15 आया, 35 आया, 5 या 15, 5 6 या 35, 4 5 7 80, 3 7 आ गया। 3 7 आ गया आपका। नंबर ऑफ डेज सोल्ड इन 2021 में, एंड डेज सोल्ड इन 2021 में इस जैसे इन द आइटम सोल्ड इन टोटल नंबर ऑफ आइटम सोल्ड इन 2017, हाँ यानी कि 4000 डिवाइड बाई 6400 आ जाएगा, 62.5%। आपका व्हाट इज़ द एवरेज टोटल नंबर ऑफ आइटम सोल्ड इन 17 18 19, 17 18 19 से 8300, 4500, 1200 या 6400 डिवाइड बाई 3 हो जाएगा, 6400 हो जाएगा। व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द टोटल नंबर ऑफ डेज सोल्ड इन 18 19 में रहता है, 18 19 से यानी 3 4000 डिवाइडेड बाई प्राप्त सोल्ड 2019 4500। आपका नंबर ऑफ प्राका सोल्ड इन 2018 में, प्राका 2018 1500, टोटल नंबर ऑफ सोल्ड इन 19-20 तो 19-20 3000 और 3000 यानी कि 50%। The total number of sold in 2022 is 700 more than that in 2019 है, यानी कि 9000 आ गया आपका। अब then find the sum of the number of the blazer and trap sold in and is the ratio of the coats. It's ratio of the coats sold in the ratio between the number of coats and the total number of items sold 17 18 आपका। अच्छा 9000 डिवाइड बाई 18 आ गया, 500 5 आ गया, 3500 माइनस में 9000 आ गया, 5500 आ गया, 5500 आ गया आपका। नीचे 5 है, ये क्या कह रहा है आपका। The bar graph below shows the number of dark chocolate sold as a percentage of the number of milk chocolate and the difference between the number of dark chocolate and the number of milk chocolate sold by a set 5 different days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, अरे आपका कौन सा है डार्क चॉकलेट आ गया, मिल्क चॉकलेट आ गया, डार्क चॉकलेट मिल्क चॉकलेट टोटल सारा 85 माइनस 15 आ गया, 15% की वैल्यू है आपका 39 आपका 15% की वैल्यू है, 260 है समथिंग, 260 आपका 83 80% यानी कि 83 आपका डिवाइड बाई 20%, 15 48 आपका 52% जो वैल्यू है 350, 25% की वैल्यू है आपका ये 440% की वैल्यू है 240। अब किस में तोड़ने से 85 29 chocolates another dark chocolate 85 85 आया 85 आया 100 आया आपका 15 15 5 16 16 पंजे 17 आया 10 20 137 आया 260 7 कहाँ गड़बड़ कर रहे हैं यार 15% की तो वैल्यू थी नंबर मिल्क चॉकलेट नंबर ब्लैक चॉकलेट 100% 85% वो का है 17 20 3 की वैल्यू दे रखी है 39 19 इंटू 17 + 20 37 इंटू 3 111 51 60 11 और आपका 80 आया और आपका 100 आया 80 100 20 चौक 80 20 50 एक की वैल्यू 83 दे सकती है 83 इंटू 4 इंटू 32 टू 5 4 से 15 37 48 52 48 100% था 25 आ जाएगा 12 13 की वैल्यू 182 2 डिवाइड बाई 13 14 इंटू 12 168 25 350 168 518 518 और आपका आपका 9 और 10 एक की वैल्यू 24 से रखी 24 इंटू 9 316 140 456 If all dark chocolates sold on Monday were either of brand P or Q, where P and Q, and the ratio of the number of brand P to brand Q dark chocolates sold on Monday is 8:5. 8 12 13 respectively. And the number of brand Q dark chocolates sold on Monday. Milk chocolate sold. 15, 415 का 60% और ये 80%, 80% 415 बाई 53 इसमें ही रहेगा 85, 85 100 5 17, 39 आया आपका 3 की वैल्यू 13 इंटू 17 221 और 13 20 260 221 481 बस 221 डिवाइड बाय 5 13 इंटू की बात कर रहा था मुझे 85 find the ratio of the number of milk chocolates sold on Friday, milk chocolate sold on Friday, and dark chocolate sold on Thursday. Dark chocolate sold on Thursday, यानी 24, 33, 38, 8 11. 40% of the total number of milk chocolates sold on Tuesday were sold in the morning. 40%. Then how many milk chocolates? 166. If the number of milk chocolates sold on Saturday was 528, and the number of milk chocolates sold on the Saturday is how much? Thursday. 120%. Find the average number of dark chocolates sold on Tuesday and Wednesday together. Tuesday and Wednesday together 250 आ गया आपका. रेक्टेंगुलर कार की हुई तो मैं नहीं कर पाऊँगा. 2 years ago from now, the era wanting was better. There are 30 balls in a bag. A and B started in a 4 बच्चे. So 9 months later, 9 meters 28 exceeded 25%. 3 months. $27,000 आ रहा है. 6 years hence from now. 6 years from now. A and B entered into a partnership. Together. 72 hours आना चाहिए. When our face in a display is shared with the motor shares 197. However, 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Only 3 phones are between P3 and phones are between P3 and which is a Samsung and P3 3 Samsung P6 which is of Motorola is immediately below P3. अच्छा P6 P3 Motorola or only two phones are between the one which is a Samsung P5. P5 only three phones are between the one which is of Apple and P2. P2 only three phones P2 Apple. P2 which is on the shelf. P2 odd है यहाँ पर not equal to Samsung और shelf the one which is of OnePlus is two shells of the one which is of Apple. OnePlus का Apple आ रहा है एक है P1 which is of Honor. P1 आपका Honor का है is two shells of the one two shells of the one and which is of Vivo. P5 is not Vivo. E3 आपका 1 2 3 Samsung P3 P6 P3 P6 1 2 आपका तो दिक्कत दे रहा है आपका सैमसंग ऊपर लो सैमसंग 1 2 3 P3 P6 2 P5 Samsung P5 P3 P6 अब आपका P2 एक और नंबर शेल्फ पे हुआ P2 1 2 3 एप्पल तो P2 1 2 3 एप्पल के ऊपर वन प्लस 2 3 वन प्लस P1 या तो P1 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा P1 यहाँ आ जाएगा P1 का ऑनर का है एक छोड़ के अच्छा हो नहीं रहा है आपका तो P2 एप्पल कर लो एक तो तीन P2 आया आपका एप्पल आया और आपका सैमसंग एप्पल के ऊपर एक वन प्लस आ रहा है वन प्लस P1 ऑनर वीवो आ जाएगा P3 P6 P6 ऑलरेडी मोटोरोला है। आपका सैमसंग P5, P3, P6 जो कि मोटोरोला है, तो मेरे को P2 डालना है। P2 आपका ऑड पे होगा। 1 2 3 एप्पल P2 1 2 3 एप्पल एप्पल आया, वन प्लस आ गया, वन प्लस P3 P6 तो हो गया आपका एप्पल, वन प्लस P1 आपका ऑनर होना चाहिए, P1 ऑनर। P3 वीवो हो जाएगा, वीवो भी हो गया आपका 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 P5 P7 रह गया। तो P4 P7 स्मार्ट सैमसंग हाँ लगभग सारे सही हो गए। बस आपका वो काम गया इस ऑफ नोकिया आपका P2 आ गया। और आपका नंबर 7 How many phones are above the one which is of Apple? 1 2 3 4 Four of the following, the one which is of Motorola, OnePlus, Motorola है, OnePlus है, Samsung है, एप्पल नोकिया आपका 6 है, 1 पे है, 3 पे है, 5 पे, 7 पे, 6 P4 P3 and 5th shelf OnePlus। clear, select hard power, clear, GIRIPI UI हो जाएगा, SQI QI और QI कहीं में सेलेक्ट प्रिपेयर लक एग्ज़ाम हो गया, सेलेक्ट प्रिपेयर हो गया, सेलेक्ट गुड लक आपका लक GI तो हो गया, लक भी नज़र आ रहा है आपका RI PI नहीं, लक भी तो तीनों में आ रहा है, GI और गुड किस में आ रहा है, लक हार्ड एग्जाम आपका DI होगा, HI होगा, इसे DI RIGI आपका 7% स्टैंडर्ड अलग लीनियर तो हाँ नाम टेन तो फिर तीन चार बच्चे हिस्सा हाँ जैसे ऐसा होना होता है कि नहीं कैसे तो जैसे Anna strengthens one of the achievements. Anna, Anna, only 2% stand between Anna and Amma. Asha stands the immediate right of Amma. Asha. Only 3% stand between Asha and Anshu. 1, 2, 3. Anshu. 3 Asha है Anshu है The one who stands adjacent to Anshu stands immediate right of Anshu. The one who stands adjacent to Anshu stands right of Anuj negative. और दूसरी बात ये है आशा stands immediate right of Amma. यार अभी तो यही वाला कर देना अनिल डजंट स्टैंड है एडजेसेंट टू अनुज अनिल डजंट स्टैंड एडजेसेंट टू अनुज फेसेस इन द नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन अनु है ना ये क्या था Anu is the north direction. Asha does not stand held to the right of Anu. Second, third. ये तो दिक्कत हो गई 3 people ये दो होगा नहीं आना 1 2 आना and Amma Asha stands immediate right of Amma Asha stands immediate right of Amma Asha and Anshu Asha and Anshu 1 2 3 Anshu the one who stands adjacent to Anshu Anshu stands in the right of Anuj positive area Anil does not stand adjacent to Anuj Anu positive Asha does not stand third to the right of Anu Asha does not stand first, second, third to the right of Anu Anil and Anuj face in the same direction Anil and Anuj face in the same direction so the immediate neighbors of Anil face in the opposite direction to Anil negative Anna and Anshu face in opposite Anshu who among the following persons stands immediate left of Anshu left of Anshu, Anu. Who stands to the right of Anil. Anu. Anu. आपका first, second, third, fourth. आपका अनुज. First, second, third. Anuj stands to the right of Anil. How many persons stand between Asha and Anu? Asha and Anu, 2. Four of the Anil, Anuj. आपका कहेंगे अनिल पॉजिटिव है, अनुज भी पॉजिटिव है, अनु पॉजिटिव है, अंशु भी पॉजिटिव है, आना नेगेटिव है. आना नेगेटिव है आपका. ओनली पर्सन स्टैंड बिटवीन आना एंड अनुज who faces the Anuj. Anuj faces the north. Ana and Anuj. Anuj 1 2 3 3 north. आपका ये क्या कह रहा है? Rajesh has 7 balls of different weight. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 Z weighs more than X and Y. Z weighs more than X and Y. As many balls are more than less than Y. T weighs less than X. T weighs less than X or more than W. W is neither the lightest nor the second lightest ball. आपका W यहाँ नहीं है. W ये आपका X T Z आएगा. X T Z. U is not the heaviest ball. V weighs less than U. V weighs less than U and T. At least 2 balls are heavier than X. At least 2 X T W. W आपका Z. T आपका V आपका छोटा है U से, वो है Z X आ जाएगा आपका Z Y V छोटा आपका T से. How many balls weight more than T? आपका 3. Which among the following weights between X and Y? TWV. Which among the following ball is the heaviest? Z है आपका Z है. अच्छा, how many pairs आपके बन पाएंगे? 2 पेयर. Y आ रहा है इसका. तो नहीं हो पा रहा. So that's it. That's the score.